This short video will explain where to find your transfer credits, what they mean, and how to use them in your degree plan. Let's get started. You can find your transfer credits in My Trent under Admissions. Just select the Transfer Credits icon. Here are some examples of transfer credits that a student might have. The H in the course code tells you it is a half-credit course. Most of our courses at Trent are half-credit courses. We have three types of transfer credits: assigned transfer credits, which are exact course equivalents, unassigned departmental transfer credits, and unassigned general transfer credits. You can see examples of each in the orange blocks at the bottom. Now let's find your program requirements in the academic calendar. A new version is published each year, and students use the version from the year they start at Trent. Select the Undergraduate Programs button and search for your program to find your requirements. Your program requirements will outline the total number of credits needed for your program. You'll want to find out how many program requirements there are and how much room there is for electives. First, let's review how many total credits are needed. For an honors degree, 20 credits are required. For a general degree, 15 credits are required. The number of program requirements depends. Each program is different, and you can find the answer in the academic calendar. For example, the Bachelor of Science Honors in Psychology has 10 program requirements. The total number of credits required for an honors degree is 20. By subtracting the psychology program requirements from the total credits required, you are left with 10 credits. That is the number of electives required for this degree. The honors psychology degree requires 10 program requirements and 10 electives. Electives are any courses that aren't required for your specific program. There is no list of electives. Students may choose from almost any course offered, as long as they have the prerequisites. Students must ensure their program requirements and choice of electives meet the university degree requirements in order to graduate. Here are the example transfer credits I used earlier. In the example of the Bachelor of Science Honors Psychology degree, the half-credit Psych 1020, highlighted in green, can be used towards the 10 program requirements. The rest of the 3 transfer credits can be used towards the 10 elective requirements. It's good to know that you don't need to do anything to activate or apply your transfer credits. Once the assessment is complete, those transfer credits are on your record and can be used to meet program or degree requirements where applicable. Transfer credits receive a pass grade. Your average will only be calculated from your Trent credits going forward. Make sure you review both your program requirements and the university degree requirements in the academic calendar. You may still have questions after viewing this video, and that's okay. Understanding program and degree requirements and planning your courses takes time. You are not alone as you navigate this. We have lots of helpful resources on our website, so be sure to check those out. Contact Academic Advising to discuss your transfer credits, what they mean, and how they fit into your degree plan. Advisors can also help with planning your timetable and help you learn how to register for classes. Contact our admissions team if you have questions about your transfer credit assessment, questions about submitting course syllabi for review, or if you have questions about the terms or conditions of your offer.